Hi, my name is Sario from Camp Studio. You might know me here now as a camp director here as well for the Creators Lab. Today at the Creators Lab, we brought everyone together. And when I mean everyone, we brought our animators and our voice actors together.
Today was a very exciting day for us. We learned a lot. We started off with AI prompt engineering. Then we went into character analysis, where we did characterization and some form of acting. We did 2D animation, where our beginners have learned the basics of animation. We have so many young people interested in creating animation for this country, and I think that they have a lot to offer.
The acting lessons today were great because we got to learn about how when you say things, you react a certain way. I had a whole lot of fun doing the voice acting. Seeing the other people trying to act was kind of funny, but it was also really nice to see them acting because it makes me happy to see kids learn. It just makes me happy, you know?
When we did the little episode of Chirpy the Bird, we got a lot of engagement, a lot of smiles, and we got to see them emote and bring emotion into their faces, into their bodies, and it translated right into their voices. When you imagine feeding this little bird, an imaginary bird at that, a syringe of food, they were able to think on their feet, and I think that from here they're able to grow much more. I really would like to see where they will go over these next 2 weeks and how far we could take it.